Hi everyone, this is Jimmy Chung. I am here with New England Wellness Solutions, and here to give you a little bit of a tip on when there's numbness or tingling in the fingers and hands. Sometimes this could be due to carpal tunnel, or you might have like a nerve root impingement in the elbow, the shoulder, or even in the neck. Now, we might not know what it is, but at least you can actually do some self-massage to give yourself some relief. Now, what I like to show you today is something specific for pain in the wrists and also numbness and tingling in the fingers there. And you can simply separate the muscles here in between the two bones. You got your radial bone, your radius here, and your ulnar bone. And there's a ton of tissues right in between that could cause some impingement in the nerves, some discomfort, some pain. What I like to show you today is a nice technique you can use to open up the muscles here, loosen it up, allow pressure to be relieved in the median nerve if it's carpal tunnel, allow the muscles that comes down into the wrist to loosen up, as well as the muscles that attaches to the olecranon process there right at the elbow. So here's what I like for you to do. For example, if it's discomfort on the right hand, you can simply put your arm onto the counter, use the opposite elbow, and I want you to do a nice self-massage by rocking the left elbow onto the muscles of the forearm, just back and forth. And what you're going to feel is a little bit of movement in the fingers as you release those muscles there and send more circulation in there to loosen up the muscles. You can turn your arm over to the other side of the forearm and use the same motion of rocking just back and forth there, and it's basically breaking up and loosening up the muscles to allow less pressure on the nerve. Okay, you can go right down into the wrist, and open up the area that would most be prone to a nerve root impingement. And by loosening up all those muscles there, you give the radius and the ulna a little bit more space. The next thing that I like for you to do, instead of a rocking motion, I want you to go straight down and strip the extensor muscles of the forearm and go right down in between the two bones. Okay? Do the same thing on the other side and strip right down the flexors of the forearm and into the wrist there, opening up the spaces in between the radial bone and the ulnar bone. Again, that's going to give you some nice relief. If it's truly an issue around the wrist and the elbow due to tightness and the muscle squeezing onto those bones, you'll be able to get some nice relief. Okay, my name is Jimmy Chung. I'm with New England Wellness Solutions. Thank you.